لافلين مامو
My name is Lafti Mamo.
من قبل منظمة السلام لحقوق الإنسان في
I
جنيف.
am from an organization called Human Rights for Peace from Geneva.
أشكركم على دعوتي لي لأتحدث
I thank you for inviting me to speak
عن ظلم واضطهاد وخطف وسلب والنهب
about the different violations like disappearance, tortures, arbitrary detention,
واعتقالات والفدية وانتهاكات
and killing and all the violation of human rights
حق المدنيين العزل
against the civilian population
التي تحدث في منطقة عفرين
that happens in Afrin zone
في شمال غرب سوريا.
in the northwest of Syria.
تتزايد انتهاكات الاحتلال التركي
Every day, the violation of human rights of the occupation of Turkey continues to grow up,
ومرتزقته من الفصائل السورية الموالية لها بحق أهلها في عفرين،
and all the mercenaries that are working for them in Afrin zone.
وذلك في ظل عدم اهتمام منظمات حقوقية ودولية
And this despite the lack of interest of the international community about the subject,
وعدم مساندتها للقضية الكردية في عفرين،
and there is no help for the Kurdish people in Afrin.
وعدم اهتمام الإعلام الدولي والعالمي أيضا.
And also there is no interest from the media to see the situation in Afrin.
لقد تم السلب والنهب
They have take things from the people,
والإتجار بالمعتقلين
and they have make selling of the detainees, the persons who are detainees, they sell them.
وفرض أتوات فدية.
And they have put like Quranic decisions,
أيوة فدية المالية كبيرة مقابل الإفراج عنهم.
and the persons who want to be free, they have to pay a lot of money.
لقد وثق المرصد السوري لحقوق الإنسان
The Human Rights Organization of Syria has reported
أن حصيلة العملية قادتها قوات الاحتلال التركي وفصائل السورية
that the result of the occupation of the mercenaries and Turkish in the area is,
الإسلامية المتطرفة
especially the Islamic who are radical
الموالية لها
and the one who are working with them,
التي سيطرت على عفرين
that has took control of Afrin.
تسبب في مقتل حوالي 400 مدني
They have killed around 400 civilians,
بينهم 55 طفلا
between them 55 children
و36 امرأة
and 36 women,
وتشريد أكثر من 320 ألف مواطن كردي.
and they have make more than 360,000 persons who were obliged to be displaced,
من منطقة عفرين شمال غرب سوريا.
especially in the area of Afrin in the north.
وتم اعتقال وخطف ما يزيد عن 2600 شخص.
And they have kidnapped more than
2600
2,600 persons has been kidnapped.
وتم استيلاء على محاصيل الزراعية ومحاصيل الزيتون.
And they took the result of the agriculture collected like olives and other agriculture products.
وعلى آلاف من التنكات زيت الزيتون.
And they took a lot of thousands of liters of oil, virgin oil from olive oil, sorry.
وبيعها عن طريق تركيا إلى أوروبا.
And they have sell it through Europe to through Turkey to Europe.
وتتم خروقات يوميا وتحصل أتوات.
And there is daily violation of human rights in this area on a daily basis.
وضرائب واستيلاء على منازل.
And there is taxes and there is taking of the houses of the persons.
وأراضي وسياراتهم.
And also they took their land and they take their cars.
وثم تتم بيعها.
And also these belongings they were sold later on.
ووهبها للنازحين.
And they was given to the persons who were displaced.
والمهجرين.
And the persons who were obliged to immigrate.
الذين جاءوا من مناطق متفرقة من سوريا.
And the persons who have came from different areas from Syria.
وصلت إلى حدود لم يعد يطاق السكان احتمالها.
These violations, it's something that the civilians and the people in this area cannot support anymore.
وتم خطف كثير من الشباب والرجال والنساء وحتى النساء والمسنين.
and they have also kidnapped a lot of women, children, and elderly persons.
مقابل الإفراج عنهم
To get these persons liberated,
تتم دفع مبالغ وفدية كبيرة.
they have the family they have to pay a lot of money.
وكسرت في الآونة الأخيرة
And in the latest days, this situation has grown up.
تجاوزات فصائل الإسلامية المتطرفة
There have been a lot of violations committed by the extremist Islamist guys who are working there.
المحسوبة على المعارضة السورية المسلحة.
And these persons are in the side of the معارضة, opposition in Syria. I'm very sorry, I'm not professional.
بحق سكان عفرين الأصليين.
Especially, this was a great violation of the persons who are living in Afrin.
وكل هذه التجاوزات ومضايقات
And all these violations and this violation of human rights,
تحصل من أجل إخلاء المنازل
and these violations is to oblige people to live and to make their houses without to leave their houses behind.
والعقارات واستيلاء على الأراضي الزراعية.
And also to take the lands, especially the agricultural one.
لكي يخرج أهل منطقة عفرين الأصليين
So the persons who are living originally in Afrin, they were obliged to emigrate,
من الكرد
especially the Kurdish people.
وثم يتم بذلك التعريب وتتريكها.
And after that, this land is Arabized, like given to the people who are Arabs, and the Kurdish people they left behind. And the Turkmens, yeah.
ولقد تم توثيق من جديد
And also we have constated also in
استبدال البطاقات الشخصية
the changing of the ID cards,
السورية
especially Syrian ID cards,
ببطاقات الشخصية التركية.
to exchange them with the Turkish one.
وهذا يؤكد على تتريك منطقة عفرين
And this is to make the area to become Turkish
وإخلاءها من سكانها الأصليين من الكرد.
and to make it free of the original people who are living there.
من خلال هذا المنبر الكريم
Through this platform,
أناشدكم وأناشد جميع منظمات الحقوقية والإنسانية التابعة للأمم المتحدة
I want to call to the attention to all human rights defenders
إلى وقوف هذه المجازر
to stop these violations of human rights,
وانتهاكات من السلب والنهب والفدية
especially the Arabization and the take of the lands of the people of Tikrit,
والتتريك بحق الكرد
and the Turkization of the Kurdish people,
في منطقة عفرين.
especially in the area of Afrin.
وأن تتم الإفراج الفوري عن المعتقلين والمعتقلات
We call on the immediate liberation of all the prisoners
وعدم إساءة للمدنيين.
and especially stop the violations against civilians.
منظمة السلام لحقوق
This
الإنسان.
is the Organization of Peace for Human Rights.